In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch your VirtualBox machine mode from expert to basic mode. So if you had chosen expert mode and you like to go ahead and downgrade to basic mode, it is quite much simple to do so in VirtualBox machine. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that to support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now to do so, there are two methods you can use. One, you can just go to Files here and then under File, choose the option called Preferences. If you click on Preferences, you can see we have here quite a number of options under Preferences. And the first option is Mode, and you can see we have Basic and Expert. Currently, the one highlighted is the one you're using, so I'm currently on Expert mode. To switch, just go ahead and click on Basic mode like this, and then to save your changes, go ahead and click on OK here, and you'll have switched to your Basic mode. Alternatively, you can also just head to Preferences here. It is directly available here, and then choose your preferred mode by just switching between Expert and Basic mode. Once you're done, just click on OK. So that's how you switch your modes on VirtualBox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.